Good morning, everybody. So over here in Gardena, California, at a school called Environmental Charter Middle School, and we're going to take a look at these hanging veggie gardens that recycle water. So this is a really cool idea. What they have is they've got this recycled gum wrappers that the little once the lettuce gets planted in this thing here, it'll sit. I think they need to refill these actually so that they're kind of level. But anyway, they did something with recycled gum wrappers, and so that's really cool. Down here, what we did was we actually added this pond liner, EPDM fish safe pond liner, and so you could see that originally it was metal, but unfortunately the metal is not. It would rust if we filled it with water. So that's why we put the EPDM pond liner. Anyway, we came off of this water line, and we put the red handle there just in case anything messes up. You can shut the whole system down. This is an automatic water fill. This always stays on so that if there's excess water or if the water level goes down, then it fills up automatically, so nobody has to come out here with a hose. Now, the whole system is run, or the water is pushed out with a, looks like these have quite a bit of these that have to go back inside. It is a school. Anyway, there's a pump down there, an Atlantic Water Gardens pump, or Awasi, don't remember which one. It's about, I think, 600 gallons per hour, and it pushes water up to the top. I'll demonstrate that in just a second. And the water goes from one level to the next, and it goes back down. This orange stuff, this is pond filter mat. We use it in the pond industry. Allows water through, but it doesn't allow solids to go through. So the idea is things would catch so that you could easily pick them up here, like this right here. We'll throw it back. Now we put it on a timer. It's set to go on every 30 minutes for about 15 minutes. So this is a perfect timer here. Now, what will happen is, and you can get these anywhere, Amazon, Home Depot. I'm going to click it on right now. Whoop. Right. There we go. So right now, the pump is pushing water. You can see it's pumping water up there. Now, originally, we had put it on these drip irrigation emitters. I don't think we really need those. This is drip tubing up here, drip irrigation blank tubing. You can see there's the end of it right there. It's not under super high pressure, but all we needed to do was put these little elbows in. I think that's good enough. It'll do the job. And so it goes from one level to the next, to the next, to the next, and it goes back down into the chamber. Now, another thing that the pond filter mat does is it prevents the mosquitoes because they can't get down there to lay their eggs, so there's no mosquitoes laying in this. So it's really the perfect system. They're both working. The other side of the building also has one of these systems, but it's pretty much almost anything anybody can do with a little bit of ingenuity. You can see where it's attached to the wall, the steel structure. You do need steel so that it holds up the water weight too. But this is it. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn. They haven't planted yet. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And all of a sudden, those things are not sprouting water anymore. And so now it's shut off. So originally, when I came here this morning, this is a master shut off. So that actually turns like that, and so that's why this side wasn't working. I felt when I turned the whole system on, there's two pumps here, one in this side and one on the other side. This one was working fine. This one wasn't, and I thought, what is going on here? And sure enough, this was in the closed position. The other side of the building, somebody took the timer and decided they needed it, or maybe for classroom. So there's just two plugs in there. They're going to have to get a timer for that. Anyway, this is an overview of, I would call this Aeroponics / hydroponics. Thanks for watching for this sustainable food in growing food in schools for a sustainable future.